What is the best hard folding tonneau cover 2023? Here are my full reviews of the best hard folding tonneau cover. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Fits 2021-2023 Ford F-150 5.7 bed. A 67.1 NEW. Precisely engineered for compatibility with Ford's unique truck bed and its automatic tailgate feature. The Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold is constructed of heavy-duty aluminum panels that automatically lock when closed. Panels are coated with a scratch-resistant, UV-protective, black powder coat finish. The EFX tonneau cover can easily be installed in less than 30 minutes without the use of tools or need for drilling. EFX sits flush with your truck bed, providing a stylish low-profile look. Gator EFX provides an integrated water management system to keep the rain, snow, dirt, and dust out of your truck bed. EFX's unique seal design channels the element out of your truck bed, providing superior bed protection. 3-year warranty. The Gator EFX hard folding cover is backed by a 3-year warranty and is supported by our US-based customer service team. If anything goes wrong with your cover, our tonneau cover experts are at your service and ready to help. Number 2. KSC Pro Quad Fold Truck Bed Covers. Perfect fit. This soft tonneau cover perfect fits 2015-2022 Ford F-150 with 6.5 FT bed, Styleside. When tailgate is locked, your truck bed is 100% secure. It makes your truck bed snow, rain, UV, and dust-proof. Sturdy. KSCPRO Quad Fold Bed Cover has 4 built-in horizontal crossbars offering good support when fully unfolded the cover. The Quad Fold design will save more space than Tri-Fold cover when folded up. Durable. It is composed of double-layer vinyl which has been thoroughly tested for UV protection and superior tensile properties. Pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps are included for trouble-free installation and formidable stability. Easy installation. All frames and clamps are pre-assembled. Just put it on truck. Clamp it. No tools are required. In the majority of cases, no drilling. You will have a smooth and simple installation by following the instruction paper inside box. Warranty. Limited lifetime warranty. Please measure your truck bed size or contact us before buying. While we do accept returns, the buyer may be responsible for the return shipping fee if ordered wrong. Feel free to contact us directly. Number 3. Tyger Autotone Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Fitment compatible with 2015-2020 Ford F-150 5.5, 67 bed. DSIG and US patented. Cover is dual-coated and made out of heavy-duty 24/Us marine-grade vinyl, with built-in horizontal crossbars that offer support when the cover is laid flat, and roll up with a tarp to provide full bed access when in need. Also comes with aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps for mounting to the truck bed. Fidu seals with Velcro strip on the sides and secures with latch lock system at the tailgate. Tension system is available and can be adjusted on the end of the side rails to keep the cover tight and vinyl wrinkle-free in any weather conditions. Installation easy, no drilling installation with instruction and mounting hardware provided. Small holes will need to be cut in the bedliner for vehicles equipped with over-the-bridge rail bedliner to secure the clamps for proper cover installation. Cover will work with under-the-bridge rail bedliner without modification. Warranty. Limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers. Number 4. Toodle Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Toodle Hard Shell has an aluminum frame and hinges that are powder-coated matte black. The panels are made from EnduraShield, an automotive-grade polymer that is dent, fade, and scratch-resistant. The panels stay cool to the touch in hot climates. Simple to use to operate the cover. Simply use the clamps to fold the cover up or lock it in place. The clamps lock in place when clamped onto the bed flange. OFF in seconds. If full bed access is needed, the cover can be removed in seconds by loosening the front jaw grip clamps. No tools and no drilling needed to attach or remove the cover. Toodle Hard Shell Extreme Seal to keep bad weather out. Hassle-free tension to keep your cover tight. And low profile. Good looks are what you can expect with any other brand's truck bed cover. Number 5. Xcover Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Xcover is low profile and sit inside of truck bed. Full state pockets available to be used with the cover on. Will protect your cargoes. Xcover low profile hard fold tonneau cover is designed to perform in the most extreme conditions, premium UV resistant and cold resistant. No matter snowy, rainy, windy or sunny, your cargoes on the bed will be well protected from moisture and dirt. Unique clamping system and theft protection. Patent pending rail and latch design. Xcover latch allows for one-finger release to open and locks automatically when you close the cover. Hard panel is scratch resistant and provides maximum theft protection. Durable and easy installation. Solid core hard panels and be rated up to 500 of evenly distributed weight. Please see the video on the left. For installation, it is completely assembled for easy no drilling installation in minutes. 5 years warranty against defects in materials and workmanship under its intended use. Please be assured to use our tonneau cover. Any bolts or mounting hardware need the replacement. Any questions, please contact our customer service.